Hey gang, I'm here at an Indian restaurant. That's my food. I don't know what you'll be able to see. Well, you won't be able to see nothing because it ain't working. This is a samosa. And I got some salad and some eggplant and some Punjabi curry and some curry chicken and some chicken tikka and a garlic naan. This is the Punjabi curry. It's really good. It's really mild. So, you know, if you don't like curry, this would be a good one to have. This is an onion. Very tasty.
Hey, eat this. Eat chicken. Hey. No.
I got some rice too. That's a no-no. This is the rice with the chicken tikka on it. I'm probably saying it wrong.
Yeah, I want to be on your video.
Oh my god, she can't though. Not today, baby. Look.
She's like, damn.
Her baby wants to be on my mukbang. This is like tomatoes and red sauce. I don't know what's all in it, but it's really good. It's chicken.
She ate with the sauce. Chicken with the sauce.
It's spicy. Actually, food doesn't come with silverware. If you're in India, you tear little pieces of the naan off. And you eat like that. But I could eat a whole basket full of these, but you know what? It's not on the diet. I got rice. I got too many carbs right here.
Look at that face.
Cucumber.
She's staring at it so bad.
Oh, and here's the eggplant. It's really good. Let's try the chicken curry. I make this at home, but I'm sure theirs is much better. There's music in the background, but I don't think YouTube's going to flag me for this because YouTube probably don't know what the heck it is. So, this is our outside food thing today. I've got you guys propped up against the napkin holder. And, yeah, it's Sunday here. We're going to do our usual Walmart thing. That's a bell pepper. I got me a little Walmart haul list. I'm sloppy. Does any of you guys ever shop online with a thing called Wish? I just discovered that, and they got so many nice things, but The sizes are in like China sizes, so you have to order 2 or 3 sizes bigger than what you normally are, or you get cheated out of your size. But I found beautiful clothes on that. Like real pretty flowy dresses for like under $10. So, after I pay my bills next month, I'm going to see how much I have left. I'm going to probably order something. I want to change my look.
I love these samosas.
I know samosas are really good. My big son says he loves these. If you wonder what these are, they come in different fillings, but this happens to be potato and green pea in like little bread, and they deep fry it. They're delicious.
I wonder how they make it.
It's like a tortilla, but they put them in the door oven. It's like a ball with fire inside it. So when they make the roti,
Oh, basically, they just like this. I know, but they basically do it like ice over it. But
My big son and baby's mama are discussing how you make these.
yeah,
These. They have a clay pot oven, and they make the dough. You know, like the dough. It's a different kind of dough than the roti dough. And then they throw it up against the side of the pot, and it sticks on the inside of the pot, and they use a stick and they get it off.
do they do that over there?
they just have this little rock thing. Okay? It has this fire underneath it.
I think I like the eggplant. Today,
Oh.
my favorite is this eggplant.
Can you ask for a straw?
They might not have straws. So they even let you get a glass of soda now.
I think our tires are fresh.
Oh, really? I got tea. And the beverages, agua, water. They had tea up there on the buffet, so I got me a little glass of tea. You can't see it, but it's hot as hell.
Yeah, I see.
Very spicy, good. I love their tea in the wintertime. It's summer out here.
With a cup with water.
They got some mint stuff up there, that stuff that's green, it's mint. It's good to dip these in too.
Oh, I like the tamarind sauce.
Yep.
Or whatever it's called. The red one.
Yeah, they got sauces up there. Tamarind sauce, I think that's how you say it, I'm not sure. And they have
see
some
how good she did?
some mint. And it's good to dip
No.
the samosas or whatever into it.
for the fish. Yeah, Dad.
I know, spoon with a salad. And most Indian cuisine is mostly gravy type stuff with whatever it has floating around in it. Like the chicken, it's just like a bunch of gravy, but different flavored gravy.
This is what they watch it. This is what they're doing watch over there too.
Over here we have Hollywood. Over there they have bar. There's hours and hours.
What bubble? No, everyone's out there eating. Anyone else play?
What does she want?
I don't know. Eat. She wants out, that's what she wants.
Baby.
I'm going to get me another samosa when I'm done with this.
Yes. There's a cup for me and a cup for you. She's so interested in the girl.
During the break. You get away with this stuff now.
Who you know? You only stares at like one girl right there. Eat your chicken.
Eat your num-nums. Eat your num-nums.
Last bite of chicken.
She's eating the chicken with this gravy. She's eating that. It's just taking her forever to eat. She thinks it's so cute. Eat? No? Yeah?
They're playing my jam. I like that song. It's Bomb Bomb, Diggy Bomb Bomb or something. How about a cuteness overload?
Hey.
On her.
No. Okay, okay. Eat. Eat for your fans.
This is her plate. She's got some chicken taquita, some chicken curry, little tiny pieces of naan, some fruit. It's like watermelon, cantaloupe, and some salad.
It was falling out anyway. It was falling out anyway.
I'm gonna go get me another samosa.
Hey. Eat for your fans. Betsy, eat for your fans.
Look, good mukbang for your fans.
Overstuffed. Well, every time you eat, you get overstuffed.
I just shoveled in. I was hungry.
Yeah.
I might get some of the little rice pudding stuff.
That's the one that when you go in, there's like,
Boo-boo. Yes. I think that's very good. I think the bacon is good.
I got some more. Yeah, I'm being a pig. Give me another naan. Yeah.
You want a drink?
Okay, gang, so that's my second plate. More chicken, more eggplant, another naan, another samosa. So I'm going to let you go so I can hurry up and eat because I think my family's done, but I'm not. So I'll see you next Mukbang. Bye-bye to your fans. Say bye. Okay, later, gangsters.